My name is Latasia Tyson, and today I'm presenting a PowerPoint on nonverbal communication. First, we have facial expressions. The face is the most important when it comes to communication. The face expresses emotion as far as joy, annoyance, or confusion. Here we have a gentleman who looks really frightened. He looks like he is actually scared to talk, or something is going on in the conversation where he looks like he's afraid, or something shocking is going on here. He looks very uncomfortable. Um his posture, he's sitting up straight. It doesn't look like a good situation. But I'm getting all of this just from his facial expression. Next, we have body posture. When you stand up straight or lean slightly forward when communicating, that shows that you are approachable, receptive, and friendly. When you have your back turned to the person you're communicating with, or you're slouched over or looking all over the place except for in the person's face that you're communicating with, it shows that you're not interested in what's being discussed. Here in this picture, he's kind of, he doesn't look like he's not interested. He does look like he's interested actually, but he's kind of slouched over. He has his hand on his hip, and it's kind of like like, when someone's talking and they're like and he's just slouched over. Well, now he probably doesn't seem to, he seems interested, but maybe he doesn't believe what's being discussed. And that would make me not want to talk to someone if I'm discussing something to you that's interesting to me and you're just like slouched over like that with your hand on your hip. That will make me want to stop talking. Next, we have eye contact. Eye contact helps regulate the flow of communication. Eye contact signals interest in a conversation. Not only does eye contact regulate the flow of the communication, it also shows that someone is concerned. In this picture, she's looking straight ahead, and she's not her eyes are not wandering. She's not rolling her eyes. She's showing the person that she is concerned about what is being discussed. And eye contact is also another one of those important nonverbal communication techniques, as well as the face. Um, and the last we have is gestures. A story without gestures can cause the story to be boring. Gestures, like in this picture, he looks kind of frightening in the face, and he looked really stiff. Like a conversation where there's a little bit of hand movement, a little bit of body movement, and it just it livens up the conversation, and it just hypes up the situation for me. I know, as far as me, whenever I tell stories, I'm very animated. I talk with my hands, I get a little loud, as you can tell right now. But he looks really bored, not bored. He looks frightening, and I wouldn't want to even hold an interesting conversation because he doesn't look like he's interested. And that is all we have today. And this is my presentation on nonverbal communication. And again, I'm Latasia Tyson. Thank you.